Okay, right now we're gonna talk about my propane system that I installed on my wagon. It's simple. It's simple. You guys know this button already. This is my runaway button that I invented. Okay, forget about that one. Okay, don't see this one. Well, what we have here is a switch. This switch gets power when the ignition key is on. And when it's on, by the way, I still got the same remote control Mark 7 that I did a long time ago. Anyways, that being said, you open the switch. There you go. You see the power. And this get lighted when you build boost. So check it out. I don't know if you're gonna see. That's spraying propane. When you get to some boost, it will spray propane. So you can set it at the boost, whatever boost you want it. Okay? You can turn it off right here. Once this off, this light, doesn't matter how much you rev, it won't come on. The one that comes on is my water methanol injection. This one. See, that was spraying. I got a 2-step on this thing, but you see, turn this on, and then the LPG or the gas, it gets sprayed. Now, that being said, oh yeah, look, I don't have a check engine light, and look, that's my fuel gauge, and I had ran 836 miles with the propane and the diesel at the same time. I did better because right now I'm not running a straight propane, but I was doing that before. So I'm going to show you right now how I install it. Okay, how I install it. I'm not recommending this way to anybody. I'm just showing you guys how I did it. Okay, there you go. So I'm sorry, I clicked the pause button, but anyway, here is. This is the regulator that you're gonna buy online on eBay. This is the regulator, 312 psi. It's being heated by the cooling of the motor. So it has a solenoid, and the solenoid, it has a main line that comes, all the propane comes through here, and you turn in this switch on and off. So that's the one that allows the gas to come back here and spray into the intake. I ground this solenoid, and the other one is receiving power from inside. This is the wire you turn on. See, this two right here is power. So this gets power, and this is the boost switch. So once you build boost, this will click and send power to the solenoid. At the same time, there's another wire right here. You notice I put another wire right here, which I need to tape it. Anyways, I did it quick, so I just wanted to know. I put another wire there because that's the light. It will light inside the dash, you know, on the cluster or whatever. That's the light. But one is power, one is for the light, and one all back here is power. The only thing it has ground is the solenoid. This solenoid goes to the ground. Okay, so all this is power. The main power will come straight to here. It will be, when you turn the switch on, this will get power. So once you build boost, this will click and connect the power back to the solenoid, and then you will have spray. That being said, another thing, this thing right here, asparagus or whatever they call them, it has a hose sprayers. Hold on, let me see if I can find it. I had to cut it because it was long, but this inside there has a long rod, and it's spraying propane to the intake. So you gotta put them that way. And since mine is 3-inch, so that's why I have to cut it, because this can longer. But that, all this right here, that being said, right here, we good. Let's go to the tank, which I still not recommend to do the same thing like me. It's just for temporary. I ran the hose all the way down here on the sides, all the way down. You will see. I'm using a big tank, but I can use a smaller one, because I don't like to have them on the sides. But this is how I did the connection. Look, it came up to here. I drill a hole from inside. Nice connection, no leaks. And I just did it this way. See? And I can close the valve or open, and that's it. Nothing else. That's it. And I got him to strap it. I'm not recommending to do this like that. I'm planning on get a spare tire tank, you know, propane tank for a spare tire. So there it is. That's the whole system. I hope you guys like it, and thanks for watching. On, remember, that's the on button. So basically, this is power from the fuse box. So fuse box to here, the one with the key, the key power to here, from here to the boost switch, from the boost switch to the solenoid, and the solenoid, ground the solenoid, and put an extra wire so that when the switch is seeing power on the other side, this light will come on like this. See, it's on, and that's it. Nothing else, no trick or anything. So guys, thanks for watching.